Hi everyone, welcome to our 2024 Term 1 Class A practicing video number 7. Now today we have quite a few pieces from the piano book. So we're gonna have a look at the new technique pieces on the page 17, Happy Seal. We might did this one before as a sight reading, but we've been introducing some new finger techniques like gentle touching and scratching. So we're still going to use this one for technique this week. And we have two new pieces, Pop Goes the Whistle and Run Mouse Run, for everyone to start this week. If you haven't passed the Golden Trumpet from the performance book, you're still going to try practicing that one, mastering the second line and the third line from the page 2. If you pass all that, there are some more pieces that you can try, like Morning Has Broken, and the other one is called the Singing Bird Sing, I think. Right, so there are quite a few pieces from the piano book. Let's get on to it. First, we're going to have a look at page 17, Happy Seal. All right, this one we can see we're using a lot of eighth notes. Eighth notes is a big focus for the level 1 book because it's moving slightly faster on the tempo, the speed, and also we're using more walking fingers. Alright, so we're going to demonstrate this one. First, we're going to try walking finger with gentle touch. Second, we're going to try the staccato, jumping finger with the scratching technique. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Right, I'll move the camera a bit closer so you can see my hands. Right, okay. Now Happy Seal is in the F position. If you can see the flat sign at the beginning of each line, that means we're gonna play B flat for the whole piece. But if you can't see any B, so you don't need to worry about it. All right, so F position, let's start. Okay, if you're wondering, I have my daughter's birthday tattoo on. So that's what it is. It's a sparkly unicorn donut and a star. All right, cool. Let's start with our Happy Seal. Okay, now first we're going to use our walking fingers. The walking finger with gentle touch, the key is to play smoothly and peacefully. Okay, so every finger we're gonna press down slowly. So that's the key of getting that gentle touch. Gentle sound is the speed how we press down the key. So go slowly, but our fingertip have to be tight to touch down to the bottom of the key. Not just scratching the surface. Okay, we don't want to hear. It's very on the surface, floating on the keys. We don't want that. We want a gentle but firm. So fingertips very tight, but relaxing your fingers and control the speed that you landed on the keys. Okay, so let's move on to the staccato jumping finger. Okay, so jumping finger, the scratching technique also relax your wrist. Okay, no need to put much pressure on it and don't pull your hands up. Just gently scratch, scratch, scratch. It's more like a finger work. Yeah, like you're scratching your back. Finger goes in. That's how we do scratching technique. Okay, now let's move to the pieces. So I will demonstrate run, mouse, run. In the class, we ask most of the students writing 1, 2, 3 on the book. So you should have all the notes number the beats. So when you play it, try to count out loud. Okay, not just count in your head or think about it. You have to make the extra sound counting out loud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To be able to hear the emptiness. Sometimes we have a rest for both hands. Okay, if you're counting it, it makes more sense when you need to pause. Okay, and how long you need to pause for. So counting is quite important. So I will use the metronome. Hopefully my metronome still got a power. Yep.
你好，主人。
Okay, it talks. Now I'm gonna find the right speed. Let's see how that goes. And 3, 4. So let's put it on 3, 4.
1、2、3，
It's a
1、
bit
2、
fast.
3，1、2、3，1、2、3。
Okay, so I'm using 80A to demonstrate. Okay, but when you start, we'll probably go down to 70 or even 60 to start with. Okay, right, let's start.
1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3, Okay, so you can see from the page 11, the last beat, or not the last beat, the middle, the second beat of last line. Whoa, my mouse blanked. Okay, so you can see the second beat in the last bar of first line is a rest. So in that beat, you need to count 2 and with no sound. Okay, in the second line we have some rest as well, and the last bar of line 3 also rest. Now this is fine because it's the end. Okay, but in the middle of the songs, the rests are quite important to count out loud to be able to hear it. Okay, now we're gonna move to Pop Goes the Weasel. It's also the 3/4 speed, 3/4 times signature, and it has the rest in the middle of the bar as well. So when you're counting 2, most of the time we're gonna rest. It's in the C position, no key signatures, so pretty straightforward. Let's get down to it. 1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3，1、2、3, 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Okay, right. So this one again, keep counting the beats. All right. I think I will demonstrate the golden trumpet one more time, just in case you haven't passed this one. Okay. The key thing is this two lines, line 2, line 3 on page 15. Okay, we're gonna play slowly. Make sure you use your walking finger for right hand. All right. We don't want to use too much wrist to press the key down, make the hands very shaky. All right, this is all about balancing up with your fingers, or B flat. You see, the wrist is effortless. We don't want to use the wrist to go, because in the class some people do this.
like this. Too much rest. Let's do fingers. Okay, right, let's demonstrate this one more time.
1、2、3、4、1、2、3。
Okay, so this one I will use the different sound. 1, 2. Ready, go. So hopefully you can use your correct fingers for this piece. Okay, now we have a look at other pieces. I think Morning Has Broken is also in the performance book. If you're doing this one, it's a 3/4 time signature as well, and it has a F sharp. So if you see, there are quite a lot of F in this piece. Okay, sometimes in the left hand, sometimes in the right hand. So make sure you play the F sharp correctly. This one is quite a gentle and peaceful mood. So we're gonna use more gentle touch, soft sound, and we have some staccato on the left hand or right hand as accompaniment. And those ones we're using our scratching technique to play very light. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put the metronome on as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so based on the style of this piece, I did a little bit of tempo change at the end. If you heard, at the end of that last 3 bars, I did a slow down. So sometimes if the piece is in a very peaceful mood or smooth mood, we can change the tempo a little bit. We can change the speed at the end of the piece by slowing down, okay, and create a natural faded the tone. So if you would like to try, you can do that as well. But thinking about when we're driving a car and you try to stop, we don't want to go suddenly slow. Okay, we're gonna touch, like press the brakes gently, slow down little by little. Okay, so when you play this piece, the ending part you can slow down little by little. Okay, now the last one is also from the piano book, page 21, Sing Bird Sing. Okay, this one has a B flat and F position, again same as the breviary at C. Very smooth, and think about the melody and the accompaniment. Try to play the melody right hand louder, left hands mostly accompaniment. We're gonna play a bit softer. Okay, right, let's have a look at that piece. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is some extras for the students who already passed Run Mouse Run and Pop Goes the Weasel. If you haven't, don't worry about these two pieces, just do the Run Mouse Run and Pop Goes the Weasel. Okay, that's all from today. Happy practicing. See you next week. Bye.